Let me dabble in the frog leg.
Get your claws off me, playboy.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Wednesday, February 16th, and in today's video, I have two plays for you. Two MT plays, okay? But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow Jones rallied up 1.22%, sitting at 34,988. The Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed up an epic 2.53% yesterday. The Nasdaq is sitting at 14,139. Apple closed up 2.32%. Apple is sitting at $172.79. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is an MT play. Medium term hold, okay? Hook, H-O-O-K. The stock is up 38% thus far in the pre-markets. They're sitting at 185. The higher day thus far in the pre, 215. If this one retracts below 154, this might be a no-go today, 154. The company amended their deal with Gilead, their licensing deal regarding their HIV drug candidate. Go ahead and read the news on your own time, your own term. Let me give you some bearing on their 52-week range. Their 52-week low is $125, and their 52-week high, $20. 125, the stock went as low as 127 yesterday, okay? So this one has room to the upside. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 41 million. Their 50-day moving average is 208. Their 200-day moving average is 6.7, okay? They have 16 million in the float. 10% of the float are held by insiders. 75% of the float are held by institutions. Let me say that again. 75% of the float are held by institutions. Short size 11% of the float. Their revenue is 20 million. Their revenue per share is 0.63. This is HOOK. They have 82 million in total cash and a total debt of 9 million. Their current ratio is sitting at 4.45. Their book value per share is 3.61. HOOK. Hook. Let's jump right into Dave's bonus play today. But before I go there, please give me a thumbs up on the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're looking for supernova movers early. Dave's play is the place to be. And please share my videos. I really appreciate you. Stock number 2 is UPST. UPST is also an MT play. The stock is up 26% on earnings surprise news. Go ahead and check out their earnings. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, 141. Watch for a pullback to 128. That's your buying opportunity. Let's see what happens. Let me give you some bearing on their 52-week range. Their 52-week low is 42.51. And their 52-week high was $401.49. $42 low, $400 high. So you see this one could move around a lot. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 9 billion. This is UPST. They have 62 million in the float. 14% of the float are held by insiders. 46% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 15% of the float. Let me repeat that. Shorts has 15% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 12%. Their operating margin, a positive 15%. This is UPST, okay? Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 6%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 19%. They have 634 million in revenues. Their revenue per share is 9.92. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 242% year over year. Let me say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 242% year over year. This is UPST. Their gross profit is 204 million. 204 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 100.03 million. 100.03 million EBITDA. Their net income is 77 million. These are decent numbers. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 201% year over year. This is the part I like the most. Their quarterly earnings growth. Okay. They have 1.04 billion in total cash. Let me back up real quick. Their earnings surprise was 82%. So they are 82% of earnings consensus. Go ahead and read up on the earnings. Very important. So they have 1.04 billion in total cash and 721 million in total debt. Their current ratio is sitting at a healthy 16.88. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. This one is way above 1, 16.88. Their operating cash flow is a positive 248 million. Let me say that again. Their operating cash flow is 248 million. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 78 million. This is UPST. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @WPT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And when you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade. I'm out.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse.
All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.